In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize bullet points in PowerPoint. Customizing bullet points can really help to make your presentation unique and visually engaging, letting your personality or your brand's character shine through. So let's dive in and explore how you can use these customization features to enhance your slides. Start by opening up your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Once you have your presentation ready, you need to select the text where you want to change the bullet points. This part is pretty straightforward. Simply click and drag your mouse over the bulleted text to highlight it. If your goal is to change the bullet points for all text in a particular text box, you can do this even more easily by just clicking on the border of the text box itself. Next, we're going to open the bullet options to start customizing. Head over to the Home tab on the ribbon. You'll notice a section there specifically for bullets with a small arrow pointing downward next to the Bullets button. Click on this arrow to reveal more options. Now that you have that menu open, your next stop is to go to the settings. Look towards the bottom of this menu for the option labeled Bullets and Numbering. Clicking on this option will bring up a new dialog box with more detailed customization tools. Here's where the fun begins. You'll see the option to customize various aspects of your bullets. First, you can change the symbol used for your bullet points. To do this, stay under the Bullet tab and click on Customize. This feature allows you to choose a new symbol or icon from all the fonts available on your computer. If you prefer icons instead of the default rounds, you might want to choose something like a check mark or an arrow. Once you've picked, don't forget to click OK to confirm your choice. But wait, there's more. Color can make a significant impact, so let's adjust that next. Look for the drop-down list labeled Color and click on it. You're now free to select a new shade that matches your presentation's color scheme or simply stands out just the way you like it. After color, consider size. This can be vital for clarity and emphasis. In the size box, you can type a percentage to adjust your bullet size relative to your text. For example, typing in 120% would make your bullet 20% larger than the accompanying text. It's a simple way to make sure your bullets grab the attention they deserve. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's time to see them in action. Go ahead and click OK to apply your custom bullet points to the text you selected. And there you have it. In just a few steps, your bullet points are now personalized and fitting seamlessly into the style of your presentation. Keep exploring your options to see what other creative bullet customizations you can come up with. Happy presenting!